na bula, Nakukucoko yavusa, Tikina Namalata, Mataqali Davuilevu, Waidalice District School, WDS, we shine through. Soli fundraising, made for all families too. Cavuti of Lewabua, na sacred Vodre, we honor you. Through the mountains, through the sea, Vuli tamata, we rise with unity. From the lands of Tailevu we stand so strong. Veivanua matanitu, this is where we belong. Our ancestors watch, turaga marama, guide our hands, our hearts, every step we take. Our roots in the soil, we plant and we grow. Yakona Tale, the spirits they know. Youth of Naitutu, rising together. Koro, our dreams last forever.
Dance by the river, sing by the fire. Kila na Veivanua, our spirits never tire. From sunrise to sunset, we celebrate life.
Vuli Vanua, overcoming every strife. Naitutu, my home, my heart beats for you. Naitutu na Noqu Vanua, marautaka na bula, Nakukucoko yavusa, Tikina Namalata, Mataqali Davuilevu, Waidalice District School, WDS, we shine through. Soli fundraising, made for all families too. Cavuti of Lewabua, and a sacred Vodre, we honor you. Through the mountains, through the sea, Vuli tamata, we rise with unity. The stories of old turaga tell us we hear. Nanoda matanitu keeps our ancestors near. The legends of the life, rivers and the trees. Vanua, whispers in the breeze. Working together from dawn till night. Matanitu na tamata, our future is bright. We plant, we harvest, we laugh, we sing. Naitutu village, to you our hearts cling. Hear the drums, feel the beat. Nalalike na sere, life is sweet. Raise your hands, lift your voice. Koro, celebrate, rejoice. Naitutu, my home, my heart beats for you. Naitutu na Noqu Vanua, marautaka na bula, Nakukucoko yavusa, Tikina Namalata, Mataqali Davuilevu, Waidalice District School, WDS, we shine through. Soli fundraising, made for all families too. Cavuti of Lewabua, and a sacred Vodre, we honor you. Through the mountains, through the sea, Vuli tamata, we rise with unity.
Naitutu forever, in heart and mind. Nakukucoko Vanua, Vakanua.
With every sunrise, with every tide, Vuli tamata, together we shine.